If you fast charge your EV regularly, this could cost you more than you think. Over a 10-year period, one simple habit, how you charge, can quietly change your battery health, your resale value, and your total cost of ownership. Charging speed and temperature are not just convenience features, they are long-term financial decisions. Let's start with charging because this changes everything. Fast charging feels like the future. You plug in, reach 80% in under 30 minutes, and continue your journey. But here is the reality: fast charging pushes a large amount of current into the battery in a short time. According to studies from Idaho National Laboratory, repeated DC fast charging increases battery wear compared to slower Level 2 charging under certain conditions. For a daily commuter, this difference compounds over time. First, let's look at the core driver of battery aging. Battery degradation is driven by chemical reactions inside the cells, and heat accelerates that process. According to research from the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, capacity loss increases significantly at higher temperatures. Fast charging generates this heat internally, and over time, that heat increases wear. Second, here is where it gets more interesting. Real-world data from Geotab shows that vehicles using frequent fast charging experience slightly higher degradation over time. However, occasional fast charging has minimal impact. But here is what no one tells you: charging speed is not the biggest factor. Heat is. Now here is the part most people miss. Not all EVs manage heat equally. Some use advanced liquid cooling systems, others allow more temperature fluctuation. This creates a major difference in long-term battery health. Thermal management is what protects the battery during fast charging. If you are a daily commuter, your battery experiences lower stress. If you rely heavily on public fast charging, your battery faces more heat cycles. If you road trip occasionally, the impact is minimal. Usage pattern matters more than most people think. Now let's translate this into cost. Battery degradation affects resale value. A difference of 5 to 8% can reduce value by thousands over 10 years. That difference adds up. This is not just technical thought, it is financial. But here is the hidden factor: software. Modern EVs actively manage charging and temperature. Some slow charging automatically, others precondition the battery. This is why two identical cars can age differently. So, is fast charging bad for your EV? Financially, it depends on how often you use it and how well your EV manages heat. Occasional fast charging is fine, but frequent use without proper thermal control increases long-term cost. Charging speed matters, but temperature management matters more. If fast charging saved you time today but cost you more over 10 years, would you still choose convenience? Comment speed or heat below and explain why. But charging is not the biggest cost. Depreciation isn't. That changes everything.